Hey there, future medical stars. The MDCAT is your gateway to success, and I'm here to help you unlock it with the best MCQ strategies. Let's begin. So, the first MCQ is location of phytol tail of chlorophyll B is A. Stroma, B. Thylakoid membrane, C. Thylakoid surface, and D. Thylakoid lumen. So, the correct option is B. Thylakoid membrane. The next MCQ is which one of the following is not function of carotenoids? A. Convert light energy into chemical energy. B. Protect chlorophyll 2. C. Transfer energy. And D. Protect human eye. So the correct option is A. Convert light energy into chemical energy. The next MCQ is location of photosynthetic pigment and purple sulfur bacteria. A. Thylakoids, B. grana, C. stroma, and D. cytoplasm. So the correct option is D. Cytoplasm. The next MCQ is PS1 is named as it A. Absorb wavelength of 680 nanometer, B. Discovered earlier than PS2, C. Absorb wavelength of 700 nanometer, and D. Slightly located upward than PS2. So the correct option is B. Discovered earlier than phase 2. The next MCQ is photosystem 2 has reaction center of A. P680, C. B. P700, C. P730, and D. P660. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is during cyclic phosphorylation, electron pass from all except A. Photosystem 1, B. Peroxidine, C. Photosystem 2, and D. Cytochrome complex. So the correct option is C. Photosystem 2. The next MCQ is some photosynthetic organism contains chloroplasts that lack photosystem 2 yet are able to survive. The best way to detect the lack of photosystem 2 and these organisms would be A. To determine if they have thylakoid in the chloroplast, B. To test for liberation of CO2 in the light, C. To test for CO2 fixation in the dark, and D. To do experiments to generate an action spectrum. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is where do the light reaction take place? A. Stroma, B. Thylakoid membrane, C. Chloroplast, and D. leucoplast. So the correct option is B. Thylakoid membrane. The next MCQ is the final acceptor of electrons during the 9-cyclic electron pathway is A. Photosystem 1, B. Photosystem 2, C. ATP, and D. NADP plus. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is each photon of light excites how many electrons? A. 1, B. 4, C. 2, and D. 6. So the correct option is A. 1. The next MCQ is what is split during photosynthesis and on A. Interior space of thylakoid, B. Outside the thylakoid membrane, C. Into the stroma, and D. At ATP synthase complex. So the correct option is A. Anterior space of thylakoid. The next MCQ is NADP plus reductase transfer electron from A. NADP plus to pyridine, C. Pyridine to NAD plus, C. ADP to ATP, and D. Cytochrome complex to NADP plus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is correct sequence of the movement of electron during non-cyclic phosphorylation? A. P680, P700 water NADP plus, C. B. Water P700, P680 NADP plus, C. Water P680, P700 NADP plus, and D. P680, P700 NADP plus water. The next MCQ is so the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which statement is not true about the non-cyclic electron pathway? A. It absorbs photons. And to phase 1b, it is a long pathway. C. It produces ATP and D. Carbon dioxide fixation. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is NADPH2 is produced in photosynthesis during a dark reaction. B. Pseudocyclic phosphorylation. C. Non-cyclic phosphorylation and D. Cyclic phosphorylation. So the correct option is C. I hope this video, I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you and sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying, stay tuned for more practice sessions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.